Hello guys. We will know about in this video about RTN910. You can see over here and two RTN910 install in this IP65. Why we are installing two RTN910? Okay, so let's see this video and we will know about this why we are installing. See, we can see over here. This RTN910 support 2 link. You can see over here this is your first link and this is your second link, and we need three micro link from this side. So this RTN910 can support only 2 link, so one more link we need. So for that we need to install one more RTN910. That's why we have installed one more RTN910. Okay, so this RTN is visible from remote end, I mean from NMS end. They can do activity. They can check what is the alarm in this RTN, and I mean this RTN is visible from NMS end, but this RTN is not visible. Okay, then how we can do so that this RTN will be visible from NMS end? Because we have one link, okay, and that link is going for far end side. That side is in linear and this side is in ring, because we have two microwave link. Okay, so we need to manage this RTN. The how we will manage, we need to take one RJ45 cable and we need to connect from here. Okay, management to management. Okay, and we will put this VLAN inside. Okay, whatever VLAN required, we will get from planning manager, which is planning for this site. Those person planning for this site, so they will give a VLAN, and we will put VLAN from both end. Okay, then we will see here LED. Okay, in LED, if our LED will blink in green color, so then your RTN is visible. Okay, and also if you have any doubt, then you can check from NMS end. You can tell my second RTN is visible or not. Okay, so now your RTN is visible, but you need media, you need traffic traffic for this RTN, because traffic having this RTN 19. Okay, but your RTN having this second RTN having only one link, so you need traffic for in this RTN also. So how will take traffic from this RTN to this RTN? So you need to connect. You need to take two SFP. I need to connect over here and you have to insert over here and over here. Okay. You need one optical cable, a small optical cable. Okay, you can connect. That will be your optical connectivity. Okay. Then this RTN will get traffic from this RTN 910. Okay, then you can connect cable over here. This is your transport cable is going for 3G and cable is going for 3G and 4G. So you can connect over here. Okay, you can connect here also, because whatever port given from planning and planner end, so you can connect in same port. Okay, so that your BTS will be enabled, your BTS will be on air. Okay, and you can see over here it's look like RJ45 cable is showing red. Okay, so many people ask how we can connect broadband from site. So you can see example over here. They are connecting broadband from this RTN. Okay, this RTN port. You can see broadband over here. You can connect like this. This RTN, this site uh, not having a BIS media, because we can see over here cron port is empty. Cron cable is not connecting in this RTN. So maybe only 3G and 4G running from this side, or maybe 2G also will be there, but that will be not abyss. Okay, So I'll tell you about RTN910 also. RTN910 910 can support only 2 microlink because you can insert only 2 card. You can see over here 1 card and 2 card. Okay, it will support IS2, ISP3, and another card also. It depend on your uh, operator. And this is your control card. In this card you can log in from LMT port. You can update software from here. If you need if you need to do troubleshooting in this RTN, you can do from LMT port. Okay, and this is your fan. It is this is your cooling fan. Okay, and you can give dual power from dual power for this RTN. You can see you have 2 black cable and 2 uh, blue cable. So this RTN having dual supply. Okay, if you need to check how we can see our link is enabled, so you can see over here LED light is green is showing, audio link and card. So if you green all LED is green is showing, so that means your link is up, no any alarm is there. And in this card also you can check same, and here also same. And this is your control card. Okay, so in control card also you can see all LED should be in green. I mean maybe some alarm will be there, or your port will be enabled and your cable will not connecting on that port. So maybe your LED will be blink in yellow and red color. So that is minor alarm. That is not a major and critical alarm. So this is information about RTN910. Friends, I hope you understand whatever I told in this video. So if you like if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and you will see next video. So thank you guys.